Happy Valentines. Look at that. Oh, yes. Hello, Mom. There she is. We're going to have some lunch now. Yeah, before it's hot day, before we go for some lunch. Yeah. And then Annie goes to school. Sparkling water to rehydrate. San Miguel Light. Oh, very nice. Four Seasons, Annie's favourite. Yeah. There we go. So here in Italianos, we normally come here when we do special days. Yesterday, I was ill. God, I was ill. I got wet the day before, coming from a breezer on the home back to on the scooter. I had the water, I had a shower, went to bed, I was alright in the morning, and then when I dropped Danny off at school, I got wet around about 7:30, 8 o'clock in the morning. And there's no sun up, it's very, very cold. And he's taking pictures of her
favorite drink.
Her bread.
And you, my love.
And me, my love. There we go. So, every man there. We have the new salad. There we go. See?
Pepper and the pepper.
No pepper.
Thank you.
It has the kale, has apple, has feta cheese. So it's very, very similar to Italiano salad. So low GI in the apple. That's good for my diet. Feta, Annie will pick all the white bits out because she doesn't like cheese. But we're here. Oh, very nice. Ooh. And Annie's dressed in a school uniform. Spaghetti with tomato, fried chicken breasts, my GI salads, and he's got some fish with some pasta and some tomato and kale.
It's new flavor.
It's a new fish for Annie to eat. Look at that. Food's very, very nice here. Look at that. That's twice the size of what it normally comes. Well done. Yeah. And I got soaking wet, and when I got home I started having these little chills, hot and cold sweats, and I lay down on the bed and I texted a friend of mine saying I couldn't turn around and meet up to do what we were going to do yesterday, and then I woke up at 1:30, so about 8 o'clock, lay on the bed, 1:30 woke up, absolutely sweating. But anyway, we're here celebrating Heart Day. Heart Day. There we go, look, Heart Day. So yeah. So the big man here has asked me to shout out. What is your name? Your name? Okay, so she got some very, very sexy underwear today for Valentine. And Mum, what did you get? Oh, she got chocolates and roses and lots of flowers and lots of kisses for Valentine's. Starbucks, mind my road. I was ill yesterday because I got wet on Sunday and I got wet Monday morning. I ended up having these little shakes and aches and pains, and I lay on the bed at 8 in the morning and I woke up at 1:30 in the afternoon. But today, it's 1:30 in the afternoon and it's Valentine's Day. I did notice that there were a couple of things in the press today. One, that the Davao Police Department, or DCPO, as they like to call themselves, advertised in the Sun Star yesterday that they will be more vigilant at hotels, motels, inns, pension houses for underage sex today on Valentine's Day. I don't think that's a really, really nice present, is it? You know, cards are nice, chocolates are nice, sexy underwear's nice, flowers are nice, really, really nice. But anyway, so they've pre-warned everybody that if they're all going to the inns, the motels, the hotels, that they need to be wary because they're going to be more vigilant, the police. The other announcement that came out yesterday was that in Singapore, since the 13th of January, when they stopped wearing masks, the people of Singapore continue to wear masks on the streets of Singapore. So it hasn't actually gone away. There's a lot more people here wearing masks now. I wear masks when I go out. People turn around and say to me, you don't need to. Well, yeah, I think you're right. But when you go to a mall or you go to a restaurant and you're going on a taxi or you're going in a jeepney and people are still wearing masks, it doesn't give you much confidence that that person is well. Do you know what I mean? It just instills a little bit of anxiety that you could become ill with whatever COVID is floating around. Trying to rain today again. That'll be the third day in a row that it's rained heavily. I'm going to go and walk up the road here, this way, in about another 5-10 minutes after I've had my coffee. They're all very, very happy here. They keep wishing everybody happy Valentine's Day, happy Father's Day, happy Mother's Day, happy Easter. The only one they've not done is Christmas. Or American Independence Day. I haven't heard that one yet, but, well, early, isn't it, really? So it's these small YouTubers of the world. They give you this advice, but they don't turn around and tell you anything, really. But anyway, that's why YouTube's on the decline and TikTok's on the increase. So I posted some shorts this week. I've got 1,900 views on my Jollibee vlog within 2 hours, and then no views after that. Says to me that there's a cap. Says to me that there's a cap, because if it was that popular for 2 hours, why ain't it popular in hour 3, 4, 5? Don't know. I don't know. It's whatever. And a friend of mine, he's just posted some t-shirts on his. Oh my god, the rain's coming down. There we go. I'm going to get bloody wet again. Oh well. So a friend of mine's got some merch on YouTube. They're using the merch. It's called Jazzbaz. If you want to buy one of his t-shirts, it's 23 quid. 23 quid. Yeah. Would you like to buy a white t-shirt with a heart with Philippines? 23 quid. So that's about 1,800 peso, I think. That's half a week's worth of living. Rice, I don't know. Anyway, yeah. Raining. Overcast. I'm on my mind today.